Frequently asked questions about digital marketing. Question number 7. Is digital marketing or affiliate marketing an MLM? The answer is no. An MLM is a multi-level marketing way of earning money or selling products to friends and family mostly. There are uplines and downlines, and you make money off of the people that are below you. The more people below you, the more sales they make, the more money you earn. There's just you and the product or service you're promoting. Plus, in an MLM, you're actually making the sales. With digital marketing or affiliate marketing, you're not making the sale. You're simply recommending a product or service to somebody, and the product or service themselves makes the sale. You just earn a commission off of that recommendation. To put this into a different perspective for you, think about sponsorships. When my son was racing, we were sponsored by a sunglass company. The sunglass company gave us a unique coupon code that tracked back to him and his sales. So when he recommended these sunglasses to anyone and everyone, they could track how many sales he was getting them. And he earned a percentage of that profit to put toward his racing. So you see, it's not an MLM and it's not a scam. It's a legitimate way of making money. Let me know if you have any questions and follow me for more.